Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In the previous video, we covered the types of sets, right? So in this video, we'll discuss some more types. Okay, let's start students. So as I said, there exist few types of sets, right? So first one is null set. Null set is nothing but the set which contains no elements, students. The set which contains no elements. Okay, no data available. It is denoted by either phi, read as phi, or flower brackets without data, also called as empty set. Okay, now so I took an example x such that x is a natural number, x is smaller than 1. So there is no natural number less than 1, right? Therefore no data available. That is the empty set, students. Okay, and sun rises in the east always, and here the statement is sun rises in the west. That is also no data available. Therefore it is an empty set. Okay, what is a singleton set? The set which contains only one element. The set which contains only one element is called singleton set. So example, when we are considering even numbers, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. When we are considering prime number, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like that. So among those two sets, which is a common element? 2 is a common. So 2 is called even number and also prime number. Therefore it is singleton set, students. Okay, finite. The set which contains limited number of elements, means that is countable number of elements, students. Okay, then it is called the finite set. Finite set will always have condition. Finite set is also defined as this a set whose elements is listed. We can able to write a condition for finite. Okay, there is nothing but finite set. Now coming to example, the set of days in a week. So we have only 7 days, right? That is a countable: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up to Saturday. Therefore D contains countable number of elements, students. Therefore D is a finite set. What is a infinite? The set which contains infinite number of elements, means uncountable. The given elements are unlisted, means we cannot able to write the condition. Okay, so infinite is also defined as set whose elements cannot be listed. We cannot write the condition because the elements are continuing, no end for that. The set of natural numbers. Okay, here dots indicate the infinite number of elements, students. Next one, equal set. The set or sets or two sets, when we are considering two sets at a time or three sets at a time, is said to be equal if they contains same elements. They contain same elements, students, irrespective of order of the elements. Suppose I took an set 1, 2, 3, 4 contains 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B contains 3, 4, 2, 1, and set C contains A, B, C, D. Okay, here set A and set B contains same number of same elements, right? Irrespective of the order. So 1 is there in set A, 1 is there in set B, 2 is there in set A, 2 is there in set B, like that. Therefore we call A equal to B. Contains same elements. Equivalent is the set or sets is said to be equivalent if they contain same number of elements. Same number means the number of elements should be same, irrespective of whatever the data inside you have mentioned. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 3, 2, 4, 1, C equal to X, Y, Z, W. So in the set A we have 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. In set C we have 4 elements, X, Y, Z, W. Therefore both are same, right? Same number, 4. Therefore A and C are equivalent, students. B and C also equivalent. And one more thing, every equal set is always equivalent, but every equivalent need not be a equal set. Please keep this point in your mind. Then what is a universal set? A set which contains all the sets under consideration, then that set is said to be universal set. Okay, universal set is nothing but See, students, if you are considering your house, your house, see, it depends on situation. We cannot take always the universe, right? So depends on situation, the universe is said can be considered. Suppose if you are taking your house is a universe is said, then in that each and every room is a part of your house, right? Okay. Suppose your bag, if a bag is a universe is said, in that each and every book is a part of your bag, right? So like that. Suppose I took natural numbers. So natural numbers contains even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite, square, okay, and many more. Therefore, natural numbers act as a universal set, and remaining all the set, the even, prime, or composite numbers, those are all part of natural numbers. Okay. So universal set is denoted by capital U or mu or omega, students. Universal set is generally represented by rectangles. You in Venn diagrams. See, I have mentioned here. If we consider natural numbers as a universal set, in that even numbers is a part of that, odd numbers is a part of that, prime numbers is a part of that, and many more. Therefore, each and every part is a subset of natural number set. Therefore, natural numbers become the universal set. Subset are the part of a set. It is a part of any set, students. It is denoted by big C. If A is a part of B and B is a part of A, then we can say A is equal to B, students. Now, I have taken one example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3. Then B is a part of A, right? Because B contains 2, 3, the 2, 3 is there in set A, right? So B is a part of A. And important point, empty set. Null set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself, students. These 2 points will be common for every set. Now coming to power set. Power set is a set that contains all possible subsets of a given set. Power set is a set that contains all possible subsets of a given set, including empty set and given set. Okay, suppose, let me explain with an example. Okay, and power set is denoted by P of A, students, where A is nothing but name of the set. Where A is nothing but name of the set. I took an example, set A equal to A comma B. Then what is the power set of A? We get 4 elements, right? A, B, AB and null set. Okay, it was denoted by P of A, that is A nothing but set name, 2 is a base and 3 is a number of elements. We get 8 students. If number of elements are 3, we get 8 subsets. The number of elements is 2, we get 4 elements. That is 2 power 2. Okay. Now, I hope you understand these types. The next video we are going to discuss with other topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.